Hello students, continuation of Unit 4 Accountancy, Methods of Valuation of Goodwill. So methods of valuation of goodwill, you have two types. First one is average profit method and super profit method. Okay. Now under this average profit method, you have two formulas. First one is simple average profit method and weighted average profit method. Now super profit method, under the super profit method there are three types. One is purchase of super profit method, second is annuity method, and third one is capitalization of super profit method. Now we have seen the first type under the super profit method. Let's see the annuity method in this class. Annuity method. Now in this, when the goodwill is calculated under this method, the annuity factor, it will be given in the problem. Okay. And it actually that annuity factor is calculated from the, so it is taken from the annuity table, like how you have the logarithm table, same way from the annuity table this value will be taken. Okay. Now the formula to calculate the goodwill under the annuity method is goodwill is equal to super profit into present value annuity factor. Okay. Now illustration 9. From the following information, compute the value of goodwill as per the annuity method. Capital employed is 50,000. Normal rate is 10%. Profits for the year 2016, 17, 18 are given 13,000, 15,000 and 17,000 respectively. Next, the present value of annuity of rupee 1 for 3 years at 10% is 2.4868. Okay. Now, goodwill. To calculate goodwill under the annuity method, what is the formula? Goodwill is equal to super profit. One second. Goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. Okay. Now, you know the value of annuity. It is given in the problem here. But you don't know what is super profit. You should find out what is super profit. Now, what is the formula for super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Now, you should calculate what is average profit and you should also calculate what is normal profit. Average profit, the formula is total profit by number of years, that is 13,000 plus 15,000 plus 17,000 divided by 3. You will get the average profit. Next, to calculate the normal profit, the formula is capital employed into normal rate of return, that is 50,000 into 10 by 100. You will get the normal profit. Okay. Now, average profit minus normal profit, you will get the super profit. Now, this super profit into the value of annuity will give you the goodwill. Okay. Now, look at the solution. First, you should calculate the average profit, that is total profit by number of years. You get the average profit. Then calculating the normal profit, that is capital employed into normal rate of return, you get the normal profit. Then super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit, you get 10,000. Goodwill is equal to super profit, this 10,000 into the value of annuity. Okay. Now, 10,000 into 2.4868 is there. Okay. So, how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point you have to jump towards the right 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer will be 24,868. Okay. Exercise 9. From the following information, calculate the value of goodwill under the annuity method. Average profit is 14,000. Normal profit 4,000. Normal rate of return 15%. And years of purchase of goodwill 5. Present value of rupee 1 for 5 years at 15% per annum as per the annuity table. That is, the present value of annuity is given as 3.352. Now, under the annuity method, the formula to calculate goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. Okay. Now, value of annuity is given in the problem as 3.352. Now, super profit, is it given in the problem? No. You should find out. Now, what is the formula for calculating super profit? Super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. Okay. Now, average profit is directly given in the problem as 14,000 here. And normal profit is also straight away given in the problem as 4,000. So, straight away you can calculate 14,000 minus 4,000. So, super profit is equal to 10,000. Okay, see here, average profit is given. Normal profit is also given. So, straight away you can calculate the super profit. That is average profit minus normal profit. 14,000 minus 4,000, you get 10,000. Okay, now goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. So 10,000 into 3.352. So 10,000 into 3.352. So how many zeros are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this point you have to jump 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you add 1 0 here. So the answer is 33,520 rupees. Okay. Now look at the solution. See here, goodwill is equal to super profit into value of annuity. Value of annuity is given in the problem, but super profit is not given in the problem. You have to find out the super profit. Super profit, the formula is average profit minus normal profit. Average profit is straight away given in the problem, 14,000. Normal profit is also given in the problem as 4,000. So, you get 10,000 as a super profit. Now, apply the formula. Goodwill is equal to super profit into the value of annuity. Super profit is 10,000 into value of annuity is 3.352. So, when you multiply, you get rupees 33,520. Now, under the super profit method, you have 3 types. First one is purchase of super profit. Second one is annuity. And the third one is capitalization of super profit method. Now, in this method, the formula for calculating the goodwill we use is super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Now, illustration 10, from the following information, compute the value of goodwill by capitalizing super profit. Capital employed is given as 4 lakh, normal rate is given as 10%, and profits for 3 years are given. Now, what is the formula for calculating the goodwill under the capitalizing super profit? Formula is super profit by normal rate of return into 100. Normal rate is given in the problem as 10%. Okay. Super profit, you don't know this. So, you have to find out what is super profit. What is the formula for super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. Average profit, how will you find out? 62,000 plus 61,000 plus 63,000 divided by 3. That is total profits by number of years. You will find out the average profit. Now you should find out the normal profit. What is the formula for normal profit? capital employed into normal rate of return. Capital employed is 4 lakh and normal rate is 10%. So 4 lakh into 10 by 100. You will find out the normal profit. Now average profit minus normal profit, you will get the super profit. Now apply the formula. Super profit divided by normal rate into 100. Okay. Now see here. First they are finding out the average profit. You get 62,000. Then normal profit you get 40,000. Then super profit is average profit minus normal profit, you get 22,000. Now goodwill is equal to this 22,000 divided by normal rate 10 into 100. You get 2,20,000 as the value of goodwill. Exercise 10. Find out the value of goodwill by capitalizing super profits. Normal rate of return is given. Profits for 4 years are given. Non-recurring income of 3,000 is included in the profit of 30,000. So in this 30,000, 3,000 non-recurring income is included. When non-recurring income is given, what adjustment you should make? You should subtract it from this 30,000. So the profit for the first year will be 30,000 minus 3,000, 27,000. Hope it is clear. Next, average capital employed is given as 3 lakhs. Now what is the formula for calculating goodwill? Goodwill is equal to super profit divided by normal rate. Okay, under the capitalizing super profit method, the formula to calculate goodwill is super profit into normal rate. You know what is the normal rate? It is given in the problem as 10%. You don't know what is super profit. So you should calculate the super profit. What is the formula for super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. Okay. Now, normal profit, how will you calculate? Capital employed into normal rate. That is 3 lakh. 3 lakh into 10%, you get normal rate. Now, average profit will be the profits of total profit divided by number of years. This total profit will be, see here, this part alone, this 30,000 includes 3,000 non-recurring income. So 30,000 minus 3,000, the profits for first year will be 27,000. Okay, plus 40,000 for the second year, third year 50,000, plus 45,000 for the last year, divided by number of years, 1, 2, 3, 4 years. Okay. Now you will know what is the average profit and normal profit. It is easy to find the super profit, then calculate the value of goodwill. Now look at the solution. Goodwill is equal to super profit by normal rate of return into 100. So you know what is the normal rate, it is given in the problem. But super profit you don't know. You have to find out. What is the formula for super profit? Average profit minus normal profit. Now this average profit will be, here alone you should make a small correction. I will send the correct solution to you as PDF. Okay. Here this for the first year, this 30,000 includes a non-recurring income of 3,000. So that you should minus. So you get 27,000 for the first year. Okay. And all the other years you will add and divide by the number of years. You get the average profit as 40,500. Now normal profit is equal to capital employed into normal rate. You calculate the normal profit as 30,000. Okay. Next, super profit is equal to average profit minus normal profit. You get 10,500. Now goodwill is equal to the super profit 10,500 divided by the normal rate into 100. Okay. So you get 1,05,000 as the value of goodwill. Hope it is clear.